Good morning students. So today we study the protein synthesis. Okay. So what is meant by protein? We studied in the 11th standard the proteins, carbohydrate, fats. So proteins, these are the important biomolecules are there. Okay. So here that is the such a protein formation or synthesis takes place in the two steps, transcription and translation. So here transcription, आता proteins बघितले, these are the important biomolecules are there, regulate the function of the cells are there. So here such a protein synthesis which can be takes place by using the genetic information from the DNA is copied into the single stranded mRNA transcript is called as the transcription process. Okay. So here in case of the eukaryote, transcription takes place in the nucleus मध्ये म्हणजे केंद्रकामध्येही घडून येते. And this transcription process consists of three steps: initiation, elongation and termination. So after that, central dogma of the protein. Central dogma means मध्यवर्ती संकल्पना. So here from the DNA the genetic information is copied into the single stranded mRNA strand with the help of transcription process, and from the mRNA the proteins which are formed it is called as translation, and both these process constitutely to called as central dogma of protein synthesis. So here means genetic information from DNA into the RNA and from RNA into the protein is called as central dogma of the protein. After that, reverse transcription. Reverse म्हणजे काय? उलट. So from mRNA the DNA which can be obtained it is called as the reverse transcription. After that, actual transcription we study, that is genetic information from double stranded DNA is copied into the single stranded mRNA transcript. म्हणजे दोन स्ट्रँड असलेले DNA वरची जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन एकाच स्ट्रँड वर तयार करणे आणि असा mRNA चा मोलिक्यूल तयार करणे, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन. सो ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन युनिट म्हणजे आपल्याला रिक्वायरमेंट काय लागतंय? A transcribed segment of the DNA is called as transcription unit. After that, structural gene, promoter, terminator, these are required for the transcription unit. Next one, the two strands which are required. Okay. So one of the strand which can be run in 3'5' direction, it is called as the template strand. And another strand which can be run in 3'5'3' direction, it is called as the coding strand or the sense strand is there. So here these two strands which can be take part in the protein synthesis. These are the two DNA strands are there. After that, so here that is the mRNA molecule. Those mRNA molecule which are formed having the nucleotide sequence which is present on the mRNA strand. mRNA strand start from 5' end to 3' end having adenine, guanine, uracil. So in the mRNA, instead of thymine, there is the uracil is present. Adenine, guanine, uracil. Okay, in the form of triplet codon, the nucleotide sequence present on mRNA strand. After that, the complementary strand. आता ह्याचा complementary म्हणजे काय? तर ह्याच्या A शी पेअर कोणाशी होणार? T. Adenine always pairs with thiamine. You studied in the 11th standard nitrogen bases. हवा तर तो पुन्हा चॅप्टर वाचा, न्यूक्लिक ऍसिड म्हणून. Guanine always pairs with cytosine. Uracil pairs with adenine. Cytosine pairs with guanine. Adenine pairs with thymine. So in the same manner, one of the strand decide the nucleotide sequence on the second strand. It is called as complementary strand. And last one, the coding strand of DNA. It can be runs from coding strand 5'3'. It is called as the sense strand. So it has the A, G, T, C, A, G. This is the sequence is there. So this is about the unit means requirement take part in the transcription process. So actual transcription process how takes place? So look here. These are the two strands are there. One strand run from 5' is to, that is 5' is to 3' direction. It is called as the coding strand or it is called as the sense strand. Other strand which can be run from 3' is to 5' direction, it is called as the template strand or it is called as the antisense strand. Those strands which can be involved in the RNA synthesis, it's called as the template strand. Means 3' is to 5 prime direction, and those strand which is not involved in the in the protein, so it is the 5 prime is to 3 prime strand called as coding strand. So here first one we require the DNA strand. Okay, then next one promoter. Promoter means what? A small DNA sequence, एक छोटासा DNA चा sequence असतो which is present at 5 prime end of the DNA strand, which provide a binding site for RNA polymerase enzyme. It is called as the promoter. Promoter म्हणजे काय, तर DNA चा एक छोटासा sequence जो 5 prime strand ला present असतो आणि हा काय पुरवतो, तर तिथे येऊन RNA polymerase enzyme चिकटण्यासाठी एक साइट पुरवतो, त्याला आपण म्हणतो promoter. And this promoter sequence which is present at the 5 prime end upstream. After that, structural genes. These structural genes which are present at the middle of these two strands. In case of the eukaryote, the structural gene single, that is single cistron is present, monocistron. Whereas in case of the prokaryote, polycistrons means many cistrons are present. So what is meant by cistron? Cistron, it is the small functional segment of the DNA. After that, terminator region. Terminator gene. Where the terminator present? Terminator present at the 3 prime end downstream. Downstream म्हणजे खालच्या बाजूला. So here the stop of the protein synthesis, terminate the protein synthesis takes place. So here small part of the such a RNA, okay, small part of the RNA which is attaches to the enzyme when it is run. So here when it is reaches to the 3 prime end, so both which are fall off, RNA and enzyme, and two strands are separated. It is called as terminator region. So next one, this that is transcription constitute the 3 processes are there: initiation, elongation, and termination. Initiation means that is the small RNA polymerase enzyme attaches to the 5 prime end upstream and which can be catalyzes the polymerization reaction. It is called as initiation. याचा अर्थ असा होतो की RNA polymerase enzyme 5 prime end ला जाऊन चिकटतं आणि सगळं पॉलिमरायझेशन घडवून आणतं, त्याला म्हणतो इनिशिएशन. इलॉंगेशन म्हणजे काय? सो हियर द बेस सिक्वेन्स प्रेझेंट ऑन टेम्पलेट स्टँड म्हणजे 3 प्राइम इज टू 5 प्राइम स्टँड वर असलेला बेस सिक्वेन्स which can be find out the complementary nucleotide from the nucleoplasm. These nucleotides join one after another to form the new RNA strand. It is called as elongation. Means joining of the such a nucleotide and to form polypeptide chain. And last one process is the termination. Termination means stop. Where the protein synthesis which can be stopped, it is called as the termination process. आता आपल्याला समजलं इथे 5 प्राइम एंडला आरएनए पॉलिमरेज एन्झाइम जॉईन झालं आणि ते हळूहळू पुढे सरकतंय. तसं काय होतंय, कॅटॅलायसिस पॉलिमरायझेशन रिएक्शन घडून येते. आफ्टर दॅट सो हियर द जीन्स विच आर स्प्लिटिंग म्हणजे जीन तुटतात आणि सम ऑफ द जीन्स विच आर एक्सप्रेस ऑर अपीयर इन द mRNA ट्रान्सक्रिप्ट दे आर कॉल्ड एज एक्झॉन्स आर देअर. एक्झॉन म्हणजे काय, जे जीन उठून येतात, एक्सप्रेस होतात. And those genes which are not expressed and not appear in the mRNA transcript, they are called as introns are there. So those mRNA which are formed, they are non-functional. So that there are the 3 steps which are very important to carry out to make the RNA functional. These are splicing, capping and tailing. So what is meant by splicing? Splicing म्हणजे तोडणे आणि बाहेर काढणे. So removal of the intron from that mRNA transcript, it is called as the splicing. म्हणजे हे इंट्रॉन रोल करून त्या mRNAच्या मॉलिक्यूल मधून बाहेर काढणे, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, स्प्लायसिंग. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय कॅपिंग? सो at the 5 prime end, the nucleotide sequence in the form of methyl guanosine triphosphate added at the 5 prime end of the mRNA transcript, it is called as the capping. कॅपिंग याचा अर्थ 5 प्राइम एंडला मिथाइल गॉनोसाइन ट्रिपल फॉस्फेट असलेला रेसिड्यू ऍड केला जातो, त्याला आपण कॅपिंग म्हणतो. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय टेलिंग? ऍट द 3 प्राइम एंड द एडिनायलेट रेसिड्यूज विच इज ऍडेड, इट इज कॉल्ड एज एडिनायलेशन. सो बिकॉज ऑफ 3 प्रोसेसेस देन RNA which is active. So here those RNA which can be formed in the nucleus, because In the eukaryote, the protein synthesis takes place in the nucleus. Such a nucleus which is transported to the cytoplasm, means ribosome, and then further translation, protein synthesis takes place with the help of ribosomes are there. So here we study antisense and template strand. तुम्हाला कळलं असेल antisense म्हणजे काय किंवा टेम्पलेट म्हणजे काय, जी 3 प्राइम कडून 5 प्राइम कडे धावते. सेन्स म्हणजे काय, जी 5 प्राइम कडून 3 प्राइम कडे धावते. प्रोमोटर, टर्मिनेटर हे सगळं आपण बघितलं, स्टेप्स बघितल्या. सो दिस प्रोसेस लास्ट वन ला काय तयार झालं, दॅट इज द 5 prime end to 3 prime end mRNA transcript which is formed, it is called as the transcription.